In this video, I'm going to be looking at High Level's prospecting tool and how it can help you find new opportunities and potential clients for your agency. With this tool, you can search for businesses in specific areas and generate a handy marketing audit report, which highlights the strengths and weaknesses of individual businesses' online presence, which you can send to prospects and also use to sell your agency's services. So let's dive straight in. From the agency dashboard, select prospecting from the left-hand menu and you'll be presented with this view. Simply click Add a Prospect to begin. In the search bar at the top of the page, enter your search criteria. For this demo, we're looking for plumbers in Bozeman, Montana. The prospecting tool will then bring up a list of businesses based on your search. Immediately, we can see the Google rating of each business, if their Google business profile has been claimed, and if their website is a WordPress site. Taking a closer look at Google ratings, if a business has a low Google rating or a small number of reviews compared to its competitors, they could be a good candidate for reputation management services. If a business has claimed their Google business profile, it's possible they haven't set up Google Business Chat, which High Level automatically can do for you when you integrate the business profile with a sub account. It's an easy win for opening a new communication channel for clients. This also paves the way for offering missed call text back as a service by adding a sub account number to the business profile. And finally, on this page, if a business already uses WordPress, well, that makes it easy to install the Lead Connector plugin so the business can add the High Level web chat widget to their site and start collecting leads through that. Don't forget, High Level also offers lightning fast WordPress hosting, which could be another optional service you can provide. Clicking on a business's name reveals more details about the business, including their website URL, which is always worth checking out to see if it needs a refresh. If you have the business owner's contact details, simply flick this toggle here and enter them in. Once you're ready, just click Save Prospects to begin generating their personalized marketing audit report. Let High Level do its thing, and then open the report. Useful data included in the report is an overview of the business's listings, including any inaccuracies. If a business has few listings and possibly some that are wrong, you can offer Yext as a service to improve the situation. The report also lets you know if the business is text enabled, if they're using WordPress, as well as detailed information on the business's online reputation. It's all useful data which you can provide to potential clients. And High Level has made this super simple to do. You can either download the report as a PDF or simply supply the prospect with a link to view the report. Returning to the prospect account overview page, there's a handy section for making notes about the business. And when you sign them up to your agency, you can easily convert the business to a sub account by clicking this button. And there you have it, a powerful prospecting tool you can use to find business opportunities for your agency.